all the birds have just started chirping away.
So we think it's a tui.
There's a sparrow. I can't focus on that one. That's through the trees. That's likely to be a tui.
Is that him up the,
Yep.
yeah. Can you get him?
No, because he's through the tree that's...
Oh, so it doesn't focus.
yeah.
Can you hear him? I reckon he's too. Here he goes. Into the other tree. Oh, you can't see him now.
Oh no, I've got another one right up the top.
Have you?
Yeah.
Is he good?
Well, he's out of focus.
Oh.
It may actually even be that hawk thing.
He's up the top of that other tree now. See him?
Yeah. I reckon the other one's a hawk.
Oh. Yeah, it's a
It is.
A woody just flew.
Oh, was it?
Yeah. Have you got that?
Yeah, we've got a tui up there, but he's very hard to see because I've got the pine tree behind that someone should cut down.
Is he in focus? You could move a few steps and get him with the sky in the background.
And then it'd be a silhouette. So you can see the tui's just gone to the next tree. Bugger him. You can just see the white bits underneath his beak.
You can do the wax eye on the orange, Houston.
The one that just took off.
Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah, I missed him.
Is she still going?
Yeah.